Today, we'll be seeing how to use logical functions in Excel, mainly if, and, or. So today we have a set of data in front of us where we have the name, we have age, we have gender, and we have employment status. For all the functions that we're going to use, there is certain sort of logic or criteria that needs to be matched. We'll go through them one by one. Okay. Firstly, to begin with, the if function. The if function is supposed to return only one value. Either it can be true or it can be false. In this criteria, in this spreadsheet rather, we would like to see out of these 10 people, how many people are minor or how many people are adult. What is the logic that we're going to use? Is minors are less than 18 and adults are over 18. So what is the formula? Equal to if, press tab, we'll select the age is less than 18. So here we have defined the logical test. Now, if this criteria is met, then the person would be a minor. So that is the value we want the system to return. So the value, if true, should be minor. Else, by putting a comma, the value, if false, should be an adult. We close the bracket, press enter. Now we see that the person is an adult. Okay. To check for the entire sheet, all we have to do is just simply drag the formula. So it tells us clearly who is a minor or who is an adult. So minor less than 18, adult greater than 18. Minor less than 18, adult greater than 18. Now, coming to the AND function. The use of AND function is to satisfy multiple criteria. Over here, the requirement is that we want to see out of these 10 people, who all are eligible for state maternity benefits. It's a random example, but it says that there are multiple criteria that need to be matched. So the person should be a female, this person should be an adult, and the person should be unemployed. How do we use the formula? We use all these three criteria in a single sentence. Is equal to, and, press tab, the very first logic, the person should be, is equal to female. Second logic, the person should be an adult, comma. Third logic, the person should be unemployed. Bracket closed, enter. I'm sorry. Okay, so now the first one says false, the person is male, unemployed, an adult, but the person is not female, so only two criteria out of three have matched, hence the value has returned as false. Now to see how many people are eligible, we simply drag down the formula and we see only one person out of these 10 is eligible. So the criteria fulfilled is female, unemployed, adult. All three conditions are met in this particular data and hence the value has returned as true, which means, I repeat, the AND function is used to return a value where multiple criteria are being met. Alright, now coming on to the OR function. The OR function states that if either of any condition which is defined is met, the result should be true. Which means over here it says we want to check who is eligible for a personal loan. The criteria says anybody who can be either unemployed or salary is eligible for a personal loan. However, if you see, this particular section or the criteria has excluded students from being eligible. Okay, so how do we use the OR function? Is equal to OR, press tab, the very first logic, the person, the employment status, should be or can be unemployed. Second logic, the person can be salaried. However, we are not including student in this because that is not our criteria requirement. We press enter, it says true. Similarly, we'll drag the formula to the entire spreadsheet. We see there are 3 falses and all of them are students. So here our objective is being met that anybody who is either unemployed or salaried but not a student is eligible for a personal loan. And that is how you use if, and or function in Excel. I hope you have a good day. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.